17 Most popular PHP array functions. 1. Array. This handy little guy creates an array for you. Here we'll create an associative array with 2 keys, and then place an associative array inside one and an indexed array inside the other. Two is array. Checks whether the variable is an array. Returns true if the variable is an array, and false otherwise. Used like so. Three. An array. We may often want to check if a certain value is in one of our arrays. Recall from our example above that we assigned an indexed array of friends to the friends key of our example array. Let's see if Jeff was included. For array merge, remember we had some websites and friends in the array from the prior example. In fact, we stored an array of values in those arrays. Well, I'm feeling lazy and I don't want to work with 2 arrays. I just want to work with one. So let's merge those 2 arrays together. Five array keys. Let's now extract all the keys from our array by adding these lines. Six. Array key exists. With array key exists, we can perform a validation similar to the way we would with ISOT. You pass a key to search for and an array to search in, and the function will return true if the key exists in the array provided. Building on our prior example, let's see if the 7th key is set. Seven. Array shift. Let's remember our original, which had 2 keys in it, websites and friends. I want each key to have its own variable name in the program. How can I do that? Well, let's apply the array shift function to return the result to a variable, and examine both variables. Eight. Array push. Our newly created variable is mad. It wants back into the original variable to undo the shifting we have caused. Well, let's try to apply the array push function to the original and push back onto the end of the array. 9 Array pop figgle Mr. is mad about losing his website's key. I'm not going to be in this if I can't have my original key. Okay fine then. We'll array pop. You write off the end of this one more time. Ten array values. Eleven array map. Okay, all this array business has me needing a break. Let's go shopping and buy some cool new gadgets. Maybe a new iPad Air. You know, these days they tax you on everything. So when we go shopping, let's not forget that we have to pay a 5% sales tax. We'll use our array map function to help us there. "12 array unique." You know, there is a lot of blogging going on out there, and the search engines want to make sure they only index unique articles. Our little internet spider came across some articles below and put them into the. We need to make sure they are unique. However, maybe we can use array unique to help us out. "13 array slice." Come to think of it, rather than use that array unique on R, let's go ahead and perform some surgery on that array and extract only the inner elements, leaving the first and last entry to their own devices. "14 array diff." Okay friends, our internet spider has been busy and it has created an updated index after some time. We'd like to examine our first index in comparison to the second and see what's new. Let's do it with our array diff function. 15 Array search. My buddy was telling me about a cool article named PHP in the Enterprise. I wonder if our updated index was able to capture it yet? Let's find out with array search. (16) Array reverse. When you want to turn an array upside down or right side up, you can use the array reverse function. I have added some elements to our original so we can get a better feel for how array reverse treats the array with both associative and indexed properties. (17) Array on Shift. We have seen how easy it is to add items to the end of an array. But what if we need to prepend something to our array? Well, that is where our nifty little array on Shift comes in. Let's see how it works by adding an interest of music to our array.